Hi, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. We have here is a chef's knife. You may check further online for the information provided. Comes in a nice case. As we open it up, make sure nothing's in there. And we have in a paper as well as plastic. Both sides are protected, so please be very careful when you remove this. You have tips and guards. It's a very sharp knife indeed. It's got a beautiful design, a nice handle, as you can see the design right there. It's got some weight. It's very comfortable to hold in the hand. It's not top heavy or bottom heavy. And we're going to, you bet, chop an apple. This is not a toy. It's very easy to cut. And 1, 2, 3. I want to keep my hands away from the apple for sure. I apologize if the camera is not capturing the actual cutting, but there you go. We have a sweet potato, which we're going to just cut the tip off. We have a tomato that we're going to have for dinner. Tonight's dinner.
Thin. Slice is beautiful.